Hey there, we're going to be going today through how to synchronize Google Drive over to DVI production. So today we're going to log in. You would log in at the top. I log in via AD because I'm internal. I'm going to go to a client called Google. As you can see, there's no players. There's nothing set up on this customer yet. Absolutely nothing. There is a new feature down here called synchronizations. What this will do is synchronize a Google Drive file or folder from Google's Drive over into our platform so that you can assign it to a playlist, assign it to a player, and go forward. It also links only to you. So if someone else sees cannot change the synchronization, it's locked into your account. So your account in Studio is locked into your Google account. No one else can get to that. So I'm going to log into Google. It's going to ask me which account. For right now, I'm going to pick the top one. This app hasn't been verified by Google. We're waiting on that to happen. So I'm just now going to click Advanced and say Go ahead. That will hopefully go away in a little bit. And we're going to say Continue. And now you can see we have authenticated to Google as the DigitalVI app server. Now what we can do is we can add a new synchronization. Of course, it's Google Drive. We have this here just in case we add other synchronizations later. It's now going to look at my folder and go, okay, what do you want to synchronize? I'm going to click this for a moment and every 5 minutes. And if there's documents there, how do you want to convert them into a landscape or portrait format so that they're formatted correctly for the screen? We're going to leave it like that and just click Save. Because we're synchronizing the entire folder, we make a playlist of the exact same name automatically for you. So if we go down here, you'll see the fallback playlist, which is a default playlist, and moment, which is what was just created. And there's all of the files already coming through. You can see that they're pinned in order of alphabetical. So you can, using Google Drive, and restack the order up to you. And then you can see also that are locked, right? So that you can't edit, change, delete, remove this stuff, because in reality, that's what you do in Google Drive itself. So if I were to come over to drive.google.com and I'm logged in as myself here, that's correct. And there's that same folder here. If I were to take this Google Sheet, which is so well named as Bob, and instead of deleting it, I'm just going to move it out of the folder just for a demo purposes and move here. Within 5 minutes, this would update. We can either wait, or what I can do is I can come back over here to synchronizations, and I can just do a little force. And you can now see there's 3 files. Go back to our playlist, moment, and that Bob file is gone. So just be aware, as you move stuff out of that file folder, it will automatically synchronize here. So you just have to manage all your files here. Videos, images, sheets, docs, all that stuff will automatically be converted as it comes over. There's another type of synchronization. If we make a playlist, I'm going to add a playlist called Google Sheet only. We're obviously going to keep it there, and that's fine for right now. What I'm going to do is go back to synchronizations, and I'm going to add a new synchronization from Google Drive. But this time, I'm going to type the word Bob, right? Because remember, that was that single file here. I'm going to click the single file. Now it asks me, what playlist do I want to put that single file in? Well, remember, that's the one I just made. We're going to there, synchronize, save. Okay, synchronization was added. And if we kind of refresh this page, now we come down to the playlist, go to Google Sheet only. We wait a moment because what's going to happen is now it's going to go through, find that file, and bring over the there we go. Just needed time for that to happen. There you go. You have the one file. We go back to our playlist, Google Sheet only. There's that one file. The reason it needs time is it needs time for the API to happen from Google to convert all of the sheets, Google Sheet, as this was, into a PDF. So if I just double click that, there's the sheet in a PDF form that gets converted to something that's applicable to play on our players. Obviously, now we assign these playlists to players, and the TVs will have the appropriate media that gets synchronized from Google Drive. That's it. All right. Thank you.